everybody, this is Aaron again, and today we're going to look at poem number 8 in our 24 Yang style Tai Chi first section. So poem number 8 is going to look very familiar because it's the exact same thing as poem number 7, except we're going to do it on the right side. Okay, so if you remember with poem number 7, we started with brush the large bird's tail. We were doing all this on the left side, yeah? Then we roll back, press, wipe off, and push. So the same thing is going to go for the right side. So let's take a look at that and break it down, doing the hands first and then adding the feet. So we're going to hold the ball. This time we're going to have our left hand on top, right hand on the bottom. We're going to turn our hips over to the left. So we're going to brush the large bird's tail. So remember to brush that bird's tail. Bring that hand in front of the chest. The other hand falls down by the side. And elbow stays up. Again, here, brush the large bird's tail. One more time. Brush the large bird's tail. Good, then we're going to reach for the corner, remember? Side chop, and then spear with the fingers. And we're going to draw back. And we're going to press. So karate chop your right wrist. Press straight from the chest. Then wipe off, left hand over top this time. Hands come back down. Then hands come back up. And push. Good, let's do that all together. So we're holding the ball, left hand on top. Brush the large bird's tail. Reach. Draw back. Press. Then wipe off. And push. Good, so let's do it with the feet. So we're going to start with holding the ball, left hand on top, and dot the right foot this time because we're going over to the right. We're going to step into a half horse, and then brush the large bird's tail to your Tai Chi forward bow, then reach, draw back, half horse, press, karate chop that right wrist, then wipe off, left hand on top, hands come back down, half horse, and hands come up and push forward bow. Good. Again. So hold the ball, dot the foot. Step into a half horse. Brush the large bird's tail. And you're going to reach, draw back, press, wipe off, hands come back up and push. Good. So let's look at the transition from the first poem number 7, the first sequence of that move on the left side to the right side. So if we just finished our push here on the left side, so we're going to transition by turning our right toes to the front, then left heel, and we're going to hold the hands out like this. We're in a staggered horse here. Then we're going to scoop our right hand down and bring the left hand over to the top, hold the ball, dot that right foot. Good, let's do that again. So we just finished the sequence on the left side for poem number 7. So turn the toes, turn the heel, staggered horse, bring the hands around, dot the foot. Good. Then we're ready to start poem number 8. So we're going to brush the large bird's tail on this side, reach, and we're going to draw back. Then we're going to press by karate chopping our right wrist. Wipe off. Hands come back up. And push. Good. And that's poem number 8 in our 24 Yang style Tai Chi first section. Enjoy. Have fun.